welcome to Coffee Walk. I'm going to show you the last 3 stages of the Jamboree paint job. Now, we filmed these on 3 different days, so it might be cut and spliced a little bit. We normally try to do everything at the same time. We're at the point now where we've got the Jeep back together, and this is as far as the customer wants us to go with it at this time. Hopefully he'll bring it back later and let us 100% finish it, but he wants to try to take it home and finish it. He left the heavy lifting to us, which was the paint and body work. So let's go see where we're at. Again, these are going to be the last 3 stages of the Jamboree paint. So as you can see, the hood, fenders, grill, doors, everything's on it. Side steps are painted, tailgate's on it, hardtop's on it. All extremely nice panel gaps. Floors are done inside here. Color sanded, buffed, ready to assemble. So again, thanks for watching. Here's the last 3 stages of the 82 Jamboree paint, Topaz Gold. Have a great day. Now we're going to go and see the final stage of the Jamboree paint, which for this will actually be stage 4. Let's check it out. Bam. So this is the exterior, obviously. Tailgate's on, windshield frame's on, with the hinges painted on the frame. And as you see, we have the front fenders on it. The hood and the grill were already cut in, as I showed you in previous videos. So now we're going to have perfect panel gaps, perfect fitment finish on this exterior repaint. Here are the doors, obviously stripped all the way down, painted inside now. So if you'll follow the 4 stages we did, to correctly paint a CJ7, it is a tremendous amount of work, but it is worth it. This will be one of the finest cosmetic Jamborees on the planet. Thanks for watching. Please like, tag, share, and follow. Have a great day.